Alright guys, today we're going to be exploring the tunnels to see what's in them. I'm your tourist guide. Let's go. Eat your broccoli. Okay, hold on. Alright, hold on. This one's called the elephant's trunk, okay? And then when you're done with that one, come down here. This one here is called Squilliam's nose. And you can turn the corner, but it's just a dead end. Come out.
Oh, I almost didn't fit. Where do we go?
This one.
Oh, I've heard about this one, the Devil's Butthole.
Yep, this one's dangerous. The most dangerous one I know.
Whoa. We did it! The Devil's Butthole.
Yep.